Hey guys, so today we're going to be looking at a starter removal and replacement overview location video. This is for a 93 Honda Accord. Let's check it out. Okay guys, the first thing you'd want to do is go ahead and remove your negative cable, and then your starter is just sitting right here. It's real easy to get to. It's a 14 millimeter right down in there at the end of my finger. You can just, I'm touching it right now, easy to get to. Then you got this bracket that's holding your coolant hose, and it's right here. It's a 10 millimeter bolt. You can take that off. You can pull this out and take that off when you have the starter out. And then we have this little connector I'm touching. Here, you're just gonna grab it with your fingers and pull it off. It pulls right off. And then right beyond this boot that I'm touching right here, there, you can see it right there, I'm touching it. There'll be a little nut. It'll probably be like a 12 or a 13. You just take that off, and that's it. Your starter just comes right out. It's real simple. Other than that, that concludes this little location review video. Thanks. I'll see you next time.